In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect NinjaTrader to TradingView. Before we start, have a TradingView chart open and your NinjaTrader login details ready. This process links TradingView's powerful charts with your NinjaTrader account so you can route orders directly from the charting platform. It's quick, but I'll walk you through each click and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. Begin on TradingView. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on Trade. This opens the trading panel, which is where TradingView lists all the supported brokers and connections. If your window is small and you don't immediately see trade, try expanding the browser or closing any overlapping panels so the button is visible. Once the panel is open, use the search bar to find NinjaTrader. Typing just a few letters is enough to filter the list. You're looking for the official NinjaTrader entry. Selecting it ensures TradingView knows exactly which connection you want to establish. After you've highlighted NinjaTrader, click Connect. TradingView will begin creating a secure link between your chart and your broker. A small pop-up or new tab may appear as part of this handshake. If your browser asks for permission, allow the connection to proceed so the login window can appear properly. This is standard and helps protect your account. Now, log in and connect it. Enter your NinjaTrader credentials in the secure login window and confirm. If you use two-factor authentication, follow the prompt as you normally would. Don't share your login details with anyone, and make sure you're on the official login page before you proceed. When the credentials are verified, NinjaTrader will authorize TradingView to communicate with your account. That's all. You should see a confirmation that you're connected, often indicated by a status label, a green indicator, or your account name appearing in the trading panel. From here, your TradingView chart can send orders through NinjaTrader, and you'll be able to view order tickets and positions as you trade. If the connection ever drops, just revisit the Trade button, select NinjaTrader again, and reconnect. And if you run into issues, check for browser pop-up blockers, verify your credentials, or refresh the page and try the same steps once more. You've successfully connected NinjaTrader to TradingView. With this link in place, you can focus on your analysis and execute trades from an interface you already know, while your broker handles the order routing securely behind the scenes.